In this program, we are going to understand how to calculate the absolute value for a given number. So it's basically like whatever the number we enter. So it returns it as a positive integer or a positive value. Even if we give a negative number, then also it converts into positive and returns the positive value. So here what we are doing is we are taking a num variable in order to read a value from the user, and we are displaying a message for the user on the screen to enter a number. Whatever the value will be given by the user, that will be from the input function, which will be converted by default into string type, and we have to do typecasting to convert. So we are using the eval function for the same, and the result which is given, the value which is given by the user from the keyboard on the screen, that will be stored in this variable. After that, we are printing the absolute value for that particular number. So what we are doing is we are using a print statement, and these symbols that you are seeing, the pipe symbols, they are used to denote the absolute value. So the value which is given by the user, that will be written inside these pipe symbols and along with the equals to sign. And after that, we are using the if statement. So if the number which is given by the user is less than 0, so it is just comparing that whether it is a negative number or positive number. So it will be returning the positive value for the same. Now if we run the same on up over here on idle, so simply click on the run module, and here what you can see is it is asking us to enter the number. So if we give a positive value, let's say 9, so it is returning the positive value. However, if we run it one more time and give a negative value, let's say -9, so here you can see it says that this is how we denote the absolute notation. So the absolute value for this -9 is positive number, the positive 9.